just want to talk to you guys for a real quick minute about the 2020 Dodge Challenger that's coming out. Dodge has teased us. Dodge has done it again. Dodge has, it seems simple, but they found a way to actually inspire their owners to want to buy their product rather than not. Really weird concept, I know. Let's tease them. Let's give them a few of the good things coming. So even if they don't like everything about the car, maybe they like some things about the car. They build the hype, they build the brand, they build all the enthusiasm. And then they're going to reveal the car. If you ask me, they waited for all the other refreshes to come out. They're going to come out with this, and it is going to redefine the game. It's going to come out, and it will be everybody's favorite. From the teasers, it's my favorite. Those long, swooping nostrils that they did look amazing. Absolutely stunning. And it's not that the new Camaro is bad. I think the way they revealed it was so anticlimactic that nobody really got teased or excited or knew it was coming. It was just kind of like, yeah, okay. And then we got like the whole car and we're like, I don't know what it is with marketing GM or GM marketing. I don't know what it is with Ford marketing, but they just seem to just miss it every time. And Dodge seems to just absolutely kill it. Now, what I don't understand about that is the 100+ years of product development that all of these companies have, and yet Dodge seems to be the only one that really just nails it every single time. As you can tell, it is raining, which means I'm getting wet, which means I can't ride the bike, don't want to ride the bike, don't want to get soaked to go out for dinner with the girlfriend. So I'm now waiting for a ride. We're coming up 6 weeks without the car, so I'm just out here gabbing to you guys about this car. I honestly think there's going to be a new Hellcat. It's probably going to be in the 800 horsepower market, which is just getting absolutely silly. But my hope with the new Dodge is the interior. I really hope. I don't need it to be better quality because the quality never really bugged me. What bugged me was the styling. The dash was lumpy and it wasn't a uniform style. The Mustangs have a better design inside, and so do the Camaros. So I'm hoping that they really finesse that and really tweak it and work it out and make it better. And I'm just hoping somebody delivers us a car that everybody's pretty happy about. And I do think that Dodge will be that company with the Demon and all their success they've had and all their product launches that they've done. I think it'll be something really, really special. But time will tell. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Dodge Demon 2020, going to be something special.